So another trade recap from today. We made $2,710. Let's go over the trades. Coming into the session, like we see on the high time frames, we are heavily bullish. But as we were scaling down to the lower time frames, we saw that we made a high time frame bearish S&T, and we had a lot of stacked up low resistance liquidity to the downside right here, there, which we eventually then took out over the day. And so coming into this session, my bias was clearly bearish. We immediately came down, took out those lows, and then we made an SMT of this low, and I marked it with kind of like a very vague white line to see we got an SMT, but like I was still a bit anchoring my bearish bias. But then I saw like, oh shit, we made like the bullish SMT, and we still got draws there to the upside. And I could have already go in a trade right there, but I said there was too much strong opposing market structure still, and it was like before the gray zone, and so I was waiting a bit, and then we got the confirmation, another like 1 minute OB tap, like a 5-minute retrace, and invalidated the bearish market structure. We got the bullish SMT, we got the draws up there. Like before the SMT, the low resistance draws, and so this was a great long. And as well, I saw today, like on my trade copier, I was always like, oh shit, I gotta type in my stop loss, like this number, and this was creating a lot of friction at my execution. But today I saw, like, when I just enter the lot size and enter the trade without a fixed stop right at trade open, also then the trade gets copied. So that's a great observation, because I was thinking like of deleting my trade copier. But anyways, so we took the trade. In my opinion, a very good trade, especially because coming into the day, I was not really sure, should I trade today, should I not. I was at home, but I was like in a very calm state, very concentrated, and what I did really well today was I executed fully with my checklist. There was no subjectal, like from my side, any like, oh, maybe not, this feels like. I was looking at my checklist, smooth and easy. I was seeing, there's no we invalidated the strong bearish market structure, made the bullish setup, we're in our execution time, we got draws to the upside, our edge is confirmed, no opposing SMT. So like checklist, check, execute, and that's how it should be. And it's really easy. And like today I was like, because coming like last, I will upload that too, haven't done that yet, from last Thursday, where I had like my worst trading day in a while, where I took like 2 huge unnecessary huge losses. Especially the second one was pretty unnecessary. And so on Friday I traded on my demo account. I'm not really sure if I uploaded that video too. Maybe I gotta do it as well. Uh, but that was very good because at that Friday I just felt that like the subtle pressure, and I said to myself before going into the fund, it's like when you're at a pivotal spot and you know you won't trade clean that session because you're like close to, I don't know, blowing an account, or um I don't know, like you had a bad day yesterday, it still spikes your nervous system. So that was very good, and on the demo account I took a great win. And there as well I was saying, like with the execution, with I hadn't to type in my stop loss size like today as well. This is a great new insight because I always thought I had to do this, and I was creating execution friction. And so yeah, that was very good. And yeah, today in my opinion, I took the trade on the right index because in that moment it looked like this will be the leading index. But then suddenly Nasdaq was the one who was making the move up, taking out those last low resistance highs before the bearish SMT London manipulation. And so yeah, it was a very good decision that I said then, that we probably, like today I like read the market structure on the dot. It was pretty crazy for me, I have to say, because I was saying like I was entering right here and like saying when we take those out first on Nasdaq, then I will exit my position right here, because as you see, this was just the sweep during our execution time to then like in PM session make the large move down to take out all the low resistance liquidity to the downside. And yeah, and so I was pretty confident that we wouldn't go higher off there and make a bearish SMT of there, and that's why this was a perfect decision to exit right there. Made $2,710. Good day. And yeah, to learn from today is just how easy it can be when you just look at your checklist and you just execute, like no hesitation, no I don't feel like, or this kind of feels like, no, you look at your checklist, if it says check, execute, no thinking. Like don't think. Overthinking kills consistency, and that's the name of the game for today.